because this camera recorded, both of them recorded this incident today. No, yeah, because that's after I moved it. So, anyway, guys, I hate this.
So here's kind of where we're at.
You're gonna haul my ass to jail.
No, no.
I'm sorry, I make light of it.
It's okay. This thing's obviously escalating, you know, and I'm not saying at any point you weren't in fear. The problem is the guy's on, you know, his own property. There's a fence separating, and this is over a fence. Okay,
Yeah.
I completely understand that you felt fear based on what the information that you've been given. You know, the issue is that I don't really think that situation would need a firearm involved in it. There's a reason we're here, and I understand that you filed reports with us several times, and you called last night about the fence. And this obviously is a hardship for you and your wife both. And, you know, the problem is when you present a gun and you brandish it, whether you come out of the video and actually pointed it at him is one thing. You can't really say in the video that you directly pointed it at him, but he obviously thinks or feels fear from that incident. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take the firearm from you, and we're going to direct file this with the district attorney's office. So basically they're going to review everything that we have report wise. They'll make a determination on whether or not they're going to actually pursue the charges. If they do, then you'd be given a court date. If they don't, they'll dismiss it and you can get your gun back. Okay? This has been, I know I've personally been here. He's been here,
Yeah.
and you know,
Well, it is what it is.
if he were on your property and was more threatening, you know, I can certainly understand the need for a firearm. But this kind of seems like it was over the fence, and you confronted him over the fact that he was looking at the fence with a pistol in your hand.
Sam, we'll grab that firearm as well, okay?
Let me grab it.
We'll grab it, sir. And it wasn't loaded?
No. I haven't. Can I ask you, do you guys carry around it in the chamber?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I just aren't comfortable with that. I figure if I haven't got time to cock it, why? But I was just curious. No, I've never carried.
Are you okay? Yeah, I completely understand if you disagree. It's just
Yeah, I hate to have you take my gun.
well, I'm not saying that it's going to
but-
forever go away though.
Oh, I understand that. And you guys got your job to do. You've been very professional, and no hard feelings with you guys.
You've been super cooperative, you and your wife both.
I do have a question.
Okay.
If Sam's not here, is there anything wrong with me carrying?
No, you are more than.
Because
That answers another question. Can I go ahead and carry?
Well, technically you haven't been convicted yet, so you're more than welcome to carry another
I have
firearm.
gun.
But
This being involved in the incident.
yeah, that's why we.
To keep it as evidence,
I
okay?
understand that. I understand.
I want to make something clear though. You guys. I don't want you to feel like you can't protect yourself within your own property. Usually the law reads within your own home. Okay, somebody coming inside your home.
Inside?
That doesn't mean that you
Feel
can't.
free-
Yeah,
You're in fear of your life, you know what I mean?
that doesn't mean that you
Well,
can't
and-
confront somebody out in the lawn.
And
if-
that's
as long
where
as-
I was coming from, and I understand your position entirely.
the
But
problem.
you've experienced how radical this guy is. When you were.
This is the first time I was able to contact him, actually.
Oh, I thought
So
you called him
I
on the
tried.
phone.
I tried to contact him.
Oh.
So.
The problem lies in this specific incident is the guy's on his own
Yeah.
property, you're on your own, and you presented a gun in a menacing sort of brandishing type of way, and that's where it becomes a little bit.
I understand. I totally understand.
So in the future, I know that you've made several reports to us, with the one
Well-
with the car incident.
Yeah.
You just call
Should've
us,
done
yeah,
that,
because
And part of it, is we need this documented, because, I had an estimate. Alpine Fence come up and give an estimate what it cost to move that fence, but after he attacked her verbally, And, you know, there comes a time you gotta stand for something. And I'm not gonna, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and pursue it, because, you know, that's crap. And I've got,
We've offered to buy the piece of property.
well, that'll come with the negotiations. If they rule in our favor, we'll have to buy the property from him. He told me here a while back, he said $9,000 one-time offer, and I'll give you 4 foot of that ground. Well, hell, for that square footage price, I'd sell the whole place immediately, you know. There's 49,000 square feet or roughly in an acre, but, I contacted a realtor, she said, yeah, $1,000, $1,200, something like that for that amount of square footage, which is, and I'm prepared to pay. In fact, if this deal goes through, the person that owns this other house, Jim Arnold, will probably get
We'll pay
an offer to purchase that, just to, you know, establish that that fence is a legal boundary and get the property. So that's where we're at. And I'm fully prepared for that.
Okay.
But,
From-
we're trying to, you know, we're trying to pursue illegal means.
I know you are.
You know, this is
Just
something I
every
didn't.
time we're gone, and I don't know how they. figure
Yeah, I don't know
out
how.
we're gone, there's something happens.
We
Every
think the neighbor
time
was
we're
looking
gone.
through the garage door and see our car gone. We put a curtain up over that.
Do you have
Simple.
anybody that you know that could come by and house sit for a couple days? Or
You know,
Well, we may have to go to that.
yeah, but I don't know who we get. You know, the kids across the street are good friends, but they're young and they work. And,
Well, I'd
You
call
know.
Carol and
or
John.
at least come check on the place, you know?
well,
Of
yeah.
course, we've had, and the neighbors keep an eye on it, and
I
they
know.
come over and feed the cat.
And of course, until this instance, you know, you could drive by and look and you couldn't really tell, you know, removing a few boards. In fact, I don't think we noticed it for a couple of hours until this instant. I mean, that's pretty obvious.
Yeah.
And I don't know what the deal is with these RVs. There's not RVs. Those RVs were all parked over here in the neighbor's yard. And now it looks like some guy's moving into that motorhome. I don't know what they're gonna do about sewage. The septic tank is clear on the other end of that house. So there's, you know, he's just doing it
He's just
to
making
bug
a
us.
statement.
That's what he's doing. I mean,
Yeah, it's escalating for sure,
yeah.
you know.
That's why we're hoping we can get into court and get it settled, but I really think after we get it settled,
He's not gonna
it's
change
not
his
gonna change his
attitude,
attitude, I don't.
his behavior, you know.
Delusional.
How come you never do anything while we're home? You wait till we're gone. You're a gutless piece of shit.
Oh, says the man who points guns, that doesn't understand that a human life is worth more than an old piece of fucking rotting wood, that a dog, a pet shouldn't be. You're morally bankrupt, you fucking piece of shit.